What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mercedes-Benz remote key fob. This Mercedes-Benz key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this silver button on the back of the fob, and the key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now what I'm going to do is grab my screwdriver and we're going to remove this back cover right here. So down on this end where that emergency key just came out of, what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and I'm just going to touch on the very end, the very tip right here of that back cover like that. You can see it pops it up. And then once it pops off, it comes off of there pretty easy. What you don't want to do is get your screwdriver too far in there and get under this plastic piece and pry against that. So if you're feeling resistance, that may be what you're doing. That cover comes just a little bit over this, so it's kind of like this is where you'll be prying. But anyway, once you get that first cover off, we have another cover right here. I'm going to get my screwdriver in the end of it like this. Pop that up. Once we get that off, we see our battery right here. Use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery. Get it out of that holder. I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and snap that down into place. And then we'll put this back cover on. You can see there's these two tabs on the top. And those kind of tuck in first like that. And then that snaps on. And then we'll snap this cover on. I'm going to kind of line the top up first. Oops. Had it backwards. I'm going to line the top up first like that around that red piece. And then you can kind of see how it snaps into place. Once we have that snapped all the way into place, we can put our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.